Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to view iCloud messages. All right, so first up, go ahead over to settings right here, tap on it. Other once done, tap on your iCloud account. And then after that, go ahead over to iCloud, tap on it. Other once done, under save to iCloud, go ahead over to messages, just tap on it. And then after that, make sure that you sync it, okay? Use on this phone right here. Enable it, wait for it to load, and then once that's done, just go ahead and open up your built-in messaging app and see your messages sync automatically. Okay? Now, go ahead and go back to settings. And in here, you can go ahead over to manage storage. Tap on it. And then go ahead and tap on top conversations. You'll be able to see some conversations here as well. But that's just basically it, as you cannot view iCloud messages online through a web browser because Apple right here protects your message conversations with end-to-end encryption. And also, there is no messages icon or inbox icon available on the official iCloud website or the iCloud app. And that is how you view iCloud messages. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.